Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Salesforce CRM. This is going to be a complete guide, okay? I'm going to show you how you're going to streamline your sales, manage your customer relationships, processes, grow your business. Let's explore how you can leverage the power of this. So first, let's understand what the Salesforce ecosystem is. So we have App Exchange, which basically extends a CRM with thousands of apps. Now these apps cover all sorts of business needs, and there's also the aspects of Sales Cloud. So you're basically automating sales processes, improving the sales team productivity. There's also Service Cloud, where you can deliver exceptional customer service and increase your customer satisfaction. Now, some of the key features are its contact management and sales pipeline tracking. So they have a 360-degree customer view. You can access complete customer data, and this helps you make informed decisions. And we also have a sales pipeline. So you can go ahead and track leads and deals through different stages, basically optimizing the conversion rates. And you can also automate tasks and workflows within Salesforce. You can focus on the strategic activities instead of the menial tasks. There's also the aspect of customer segmentation and advanced lead scoring techniques. So basically, there's dynamic segmentation where you segment customers by behavior. You're targeting specific audiences, and also predictive scoring where you identify high potential leads and you prioritize your sales efforts to these leads. Okay? And you can also go ahead and personalized campaigns, basically delivering relevant content, and this improves your engagement rates, thus closing these leads, basically converting better, right? And you can also customize your CRM, workflows, dashboards, reporting, everything you can customize here. You can have your own tailored workflows, you can automate your business process, and streamline operations the way you like it. There's also insightful dashboards they give where you can monitor the key performance indicators according to what you require, and you can track progress. Okay, there's also the custom reporting where you can generate a detailed report and gain some actionable insights, okay, according to what you want the report to show. You can also integrate where you connect Salesforce with other business tools. So we have marketing automation. You integrate with marketing tools basically to help you streamline campaigns. There's also finance systems where you can connect with accounting software to improve your financial visibility. You can also unify the customer data and enhance the support efficiency, basically helping you deliver better customer service as well, right? And also, guys, you also have mobile CRM where you can manage sales on the go with the Salesforce mobile app. Okay, so you can access the CRM data from any device and stay connected that way. They also give you real-time updates, instant notifications. You can respond quickly to opportunities, and you can even work without the internet, right? You can just sync data later seamlessly. And there's also the aspect of the AI automation, basically the Einstein analytics and predictive intelligence, where you can go ahead and use predictive analysis, automate tasks, and gain personalized insights. So the best way to implement all this would be first, comprehensive training, then gradual adoption to the team, and then you do an effective change management, make sure that everyone is there. And then you can also measure your ROI, just track the performance and scale your sales efforts accordingly, okay? And there you have it, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.